Say echo. On the lookout.
Zion echoes. Ragamuffin soldier, fighting for the freedom, Jah love divine. Me say never give up, me say hold on tight. The battle soon done, we stepping into light. We trotting through the storm, but we never afraid. Jah light guide the way, all debts get paid. From the ghetto corners to the uptown hills, me say freedom fighter, we break all the ills. Feed the youth where I cry, me I lift them voice. Chant down oppression, make the world rejoice. Righteous warrior, me not take defeat. The fire in me heart, make the drum them beat. Freedom fighter, we a stand up tall. Every chain, every shackle, Babylon have to fall. Jah Jah guide we through it all. We rise up stronger, never crawl. Them a plan and plot, but them plan can't win. Truth and justice, Jah love within. We rise like the sun, bring light to the dark. Every ghetto youth shine, them at the spark. Tell me people, say hold the line. Victory sure, in Jah time. We fight for the weak, we chant for the poor. Kick down the door, Babylon no more. Whoa, stand firm pon Jah ground. Love and unity make the trumpet sound. For the warriors we gone, we keep the flame. Every voice we sing, call Jah name. Freedom fighter, we a stand up tall. Every chain, every shackle, Babylon have to fall. Jah Jah guide we through it all. We rise up stronger, never crawl. Ragamuffin soldier, the mission clear. Spread Jah love, make it reach everywhere. Me say Zion calling, we can't delay. Forward on the journey, Jah lead the way. Until the day we free, the fire will blaze. For every little youth, me say prayers and praise. Me say goodbye for now, but the fight lives on. Freedom in the heart, from dusk to dawn. Freedom fighter, we a stand up tall. Every chain, every shot.
Zion echoes, bless up, one love in the place. Guidance from Jah, we full up the grace. Every corner, every street, Jah Light Fi Shine. Let the rhythm take over, feel the vibe divine. From the hills to the sea, Jah love reigns supreme. We living the dream, though life get extreme. None of them fight we, but we never back down. Treading steadfast, we wear Jah crown. Them try to dim the light, but it always glow. Plant good seeds, make the blessings grow. Jah wisdom infinite, it a guide me heart. In a this your life journey, me play me part. Jah Light Fi Shine, make it blaze up high. Through the struggles we rise, we not comply. Every nation unite under Jah one sky. Sing praises to the King Selassie. Me say Babylon tricks, we can't fall prey. The youth them strong, them a lead the way. Righteous path, we not stray afar. Jah Jah blessings infinite like the shining star. Them spread bad mind, but we spread Jah love. Guidance from above, me say dove pan dove. Peace and harmony, we chant pan the beat. We mash down oppression with love so sweet. Whoa, Jah fire ignite, it a burn bright. Guidance through the dark, me say Jah light. Feed the picnic where you suffer, we a stand tall. Me say love conquer all, me hear Jah call. Jah Light Fi Shine, make it blaze up high. Through the struggles we rise, we not comply. Every nation unite under Jah one sky. Sing praises to the King Selassie I. So me chant, chant, Jah love fi grow. Like the rivers where I flow, let the blessing show. From Kingston to the world, Jah glory we sing. Forever in a Zion, Jah is the King. Love to the people, guidance all around. Me say one heart, one aim, we Zion bound. Till we meet again, let Jah light shine. The rhythm of the heart, everlasting divine. Zion echoes, gather round me people, let we unite. One heart, one aim, in Jah sight. The world need love, let it shine so bright. This year one love anthem, make we sing all night. From the slums to the palace, one thing me know. Love is the answer, make the blessings flow. Every creed, every color, we equal in Jah eyes. So me chant out loud, burn the hatred and lies. Them try to divide we, but love can't fail. We sail through the storm with Jah as the sail. This year one love anthem for the young and old. We spread the message strong like the prophets foretold. One love, one heart, make we move as one. Under Jah sun, we shining strong. No matter the struggle, no matter the fight, we chant one love anthem till the morning light. Me say love conquer all, it are the strongest force. Break down the barriers, stay on the course. The world in a pain, but we bring the cure. Unity and peace make the future secure. Feed the youth where you cry, me say wipe them tears. Me say love overcome all the doubts and fears. We build a foundation strong and pure. Guided by Jah light, we make love endure. Whoa, rise up and stand for truth. Jah love eternal from me youth. We plant the seeds, make the garden grow. This year anthem feed the world, let the whole place know. One love, one heart, make we move as one. Under Jah sun, we shining strong. No matter the struggle, no matter the fight, we chant one love anthem till the morning light. So sing along, me people, make the vibe increase. Jah give the guidance, we chant for peace. From the mountain top to the ocean shore, we chant one love anthem forevermore.
till the day we unite. Jah kingdom come, we keep the fire blazing, the mission done. Me say blessings and love till the next we meet. One love, one aim, the rhythm complete.
Yo, yo, this year one for the people, them rise up, stand tall and never fall. Jah guide my path, I'ma walk them strong. Hear me now, Babylon can't hold me down. Early morning, me rise with the sun, meditation for my mind, Jah kingdom soon come. The world full of chaos, them spread pure lies, but me chant a little prayer, burn the devil disguise. For the ghetto youth, me say, hold the faith, never lose sight, true love can't let. We fighting for the justice, the poor man's plea. Them nah go silent, we, them can't stop, we free. Rise up the nation, make we walk in Jah light. Every man, every woman have to stand up for right. From Kingston to the world, make the fire ignite. Babylon have to tremble when we chant through the night. Them think them smart, but them blind to the truth. System where them build full of lies and dispute. Just soldier on the front line, me not take defeat. We trod through the valley with the rhythm and beats. Tell the picnic them, fi learn from we way. History I teach how the wicked man play. Selassie I wisdom it a shine pon the day. The righteous a prevail, can't let that stray. Boom bye bye, Babylon can't stay strong. We burn corruption with the fire all along. Me say love for the people, me say peace in my heart. But for injustice, me a tear it apart. Rise up the nation, make we walk in Jah light. Every man, every woman have to stand up for right. From Kingston to the world, make the fire ignite. Babylon have to tremble when we chant through the night. Yo, remember the mission, never lose sight. Jah give the vision for leading the fight. Me say unity strong, make we rise as one till the trumpet sound and the victory done. Selassie I guide we forever we chant. The power of love, it's the ultimate grant. So me say goodbye for now, but me soon return with the fire in my soul, let the fire burn.
Zion echoes, roots and culture we carry them strong. Guided by Jah, the journey long. From the ancients we learn the song. For the youth, for the elders, make we move along. Yeah. Inna the roots, the truth them hold. The stories of the warriors, brave and bold. Them trod through the struggles, the battles and pain. Yet the culture remain like the sun and rain. We say unity strong, make we stand as one. Guided by the wisdom of the rising sun. Selassie I teachings, it a light me way. Roots and culture forever we stay. Roots and culture we chant them loud. Under Jah guidance we make Jah proud. Feed the ghetto youth we lift the sound. Roots and culture we spirit unbound. From the drum beats echo to the fields of green. The heritage sacred every moment seen. Ghetto stories fi tell with pride we sing. Every youth fi remember Jah is the king. Them try to erase we, but we strong still. The roots are run deep like the water we spill. Culture rich, it are the treasure we hold. We carry it proudly like the ancients told. Whoa, the drum and the bass are shake the ground. Roots and culture make the world astound. For the ancestors fight, we give respect. For the future generations, we make it perfect. Roots and culture, we chant them loud. Under Jah guidance, we make Jah proud. For the ghetto youth, we lift the sound. Roots and culture, we spirit and bound. So me say roots and culture, the foundation pure. We preserve the heritage, make it endure. From Kingston streets to the Zion hills. Roots and culture, it a pure all hills. Till the day we meet on the Zion shore. We chant roots and culture forevermore. One love, one aim, Jah people strong. Roots and culture, the everlasting song. Roots and culture, the foundation pure. We preserve the heritage, make it endure. From Kingston streets to the Zion hills. Roots and culture, it a cure all ills.
Zyneco, flawless victory in my pocket. Yeah, man. The hills are whisper, the breeze are sing. Zion gates open, the Jah King. We trod through the valley with faith so high. Guided by Jah light, never question why. The struggles me face, they make me strong. Each step a reminder, Jah love lifelong. From the ghetto streets to the mountain top, Zion calling, the journey can't stop. Zion calling, we answer the sound. Every lost soul for the truth be found. With Jah in my heart, we trod along. Zion calling, we sing Jah song. Me say the trials are test, but Jah provide. The righteous arise, we can't divide. Them try to distract we with worldly gain, but Zion calling, it a ease we pain. For the warriors gone, we carry the flame. In Jah holy name, we overcome shame. The fire keep blazing with love so strong. Zion calling, we journey long. Zion calling, we answer the sound. Every last soul for the truth be found. With Jah in me heart, we trod along. Zion calling, we sing Jah song. So me trod till me reach the promised land. With Jah wisdom, we overstand. Zion calling, the journey complete. With love everlasting, the circle meet. Till the day we gather upon Zion hill. We chant Jah praises forever still. Zion calling, we answer the sound. Every lost soul for the truth be found. With Jah in me heart, we trod along. Zion calling, we sing Jah song. the freedom cry. From the ghetto corners to the mountain high. Them oppressed we long, but the time is near. Freedom chant, Jah voice we hear. We trotting through the fire with Jah by we side. Guided by the truth, we can't divide. The system a tremble, the walls a fall. Freedom chant, feed the people all. Freedom chant, we sing for the land. United together we make the stand. The fire within it a blaze so bright. Freedom chant through the day and night. Rise up strong, never bow to fear. Freedom chant, Jah blessings clear. The youth them a lead with hearts so bold. The story of redemption it must be told. For the mothers we cry, for the fathers gone. Freedom chant, it's a carry on. No chains can bind, we no lies can hold. Freedom chant, the truth unfold. Freedom chant. Oh, the stars are shine upon the freedom path. We march together, the aftermath. Selassie I guide, we make we see the light. Freedom chant, it's a righteous fight. Freedom chant, we sing for the land. United together we make the stand. The fire within it a blaze so bright. Freedom chant through the day and night. Freedom chant. Oh, 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 oh. Freedom chant. Freedom chant. Oh, 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 oh. Freedom chant. Freedom chant. Oh, oh, oh. Freedom chant. So me chant till the chains them disappear. Freedom chant, Jah presence near. From now till forever we keep it strong. Freedom chant, the victory song. Till the day the world live in unity. We sing freedom chant for eternity. One love, one heart, we carry Jah plan. Freedom chant, the voice of man. Zion echoes, blessed be the man who walk in Jah way. From dawn till the dusk, Jah love can sway. Guidance and protection we sing and pray. Hear the trumpet sound, make we chant today. The fire keep blazing from the hills and plains. Jah love everlasting, it erase the pains. Them try to fight we, but them can't prevail. With the power of Jah, we are lift the veil. Ghetto youth rise, never lose your pride. Jah light on the journey, Jah love we guide. From the slums to the palace, the truth we share. Every man, every woman, Jah love is there. Jah love eternal, it a shine so bright. Through the darkness, it bring pure light. Every nation, every land unite. Feed Jah glory, we chant all night. Them build up Babylon with them falsehood lies. But the righteous are prevail, Jah never dies. They say rise up me people, chant pan the beat. We trod pan the journey with Jah love complete. The struggles are test, but we strong as steel. With the shield of faith, Jah love we feel. Them can't stop the movement, the vibe too strong. From the east to the west, we carry Jah song. Whoa, Jah love eternal, make the blessings flow. Every seed where we plant, make the harvest grow. Selassie I wisdom, it a guide we way. Forever in a Zion, we chant and Jah love eternal, it a shine so bright. Through the darkness, it bring pure light. Every nation, every land unite. Feed Jah glory, we chant all might. So me say carry Jah love on the highest peak. Feed the humble, the meek, and the ones who seek. From now till forever the blessings flow. Jah love eternal, the whole world fi know. Till the trumpet sound and the king return. We keep the fire blazing, make the fire burn. Me say one love, one heart, Jah children strong. We sing Jah love eternal, the victory song. Whoa, Jah love eternal, make the blessings flow. Every seed where we plant, make the harvest grow. Selassie I wisdom, it a guide we way. Forever in a Zion we chant and Jah love eternal, it a shine so bright. Through the darkness it bring pure light. Every nation, every land unite. Feed Jah glory, we chant all night. Jah love eternal, it a shine so bright. Through the darkness it bring pure light. Every nation, every land unite. Feed Jah glory, we chant all night. Jah love eternal, it a shine so bright. Through the darkness it bring pure light. Every nation, every land unite. Feed Jah glory, we chant all night. Jah love eternal, it a shine so bright. Through the darkness it bring pure light. Every nation, every land unite. Feed Jah
Zion echoes. Aye, aye, aye. Asha wildin' at the chalice. From the four corners, Jah children rise. Under one banner, we never compromise. The world in a chaos, but we stand as one. Guided by the moon, the stars, the sun. Them try to divide, but we build the bridge. Unity of power, it a break the siege. The youth, them a sing with voices loud. One nation strong, make Jah proud. One nation strong under Jah love. Guided by the blessings from above. Feed the weak, feed the weary, we hold the line. One nation strong, it a Jah design. Me say peace and love, it a the true key. Unlock the chains, let the people free. The fight for the future, it start today. One nation strong, we a lead the way. From Kingston streets to the desert sand, we spread Jah message across the land. No more hatred, no more fear. One nation strong, Jah presence near. Whoa, the drummer beat, hear the anthem play. One nation strong, make the darkness sway. Feed the elders wisdom, feed the youth them bright. One nation strong, under Jah light. One nation strong, under Jah love. Guided by the blessings from above. Feed the weak, feed the weary, we hold the line. One nation strong, it's a Jah design. So me say rise up, hold the banner high. One nation strong under Jah sky. The battles we fight, they make we wise. One nation strong, Jah children rise. Till the day the world sing the same sweet song. We chant one love, one nation strong. With Jah as the leader, we can't go wrong. One nation forever, the journey long.
Zion echoes, Zionah. Zion echoes, Zionah. Yeah. The morning come, the rooster crow. Jah light a shine, me spirit glow. From the hillside green to the city street, Rasta walk firm, with Jah me meet. Them try to change me, them try to bend, but me roots them deep, me not pretend. With the fire of truth, me blaze the trail. The love of Jah will always prevail. Rasta spirit spirit strong. It can't break through the storm and the waves. Me never shake in a Jah guidance. Me find me place forever living in Jah grace. The youth them lost, but we bring the light. Teach them the way, make the future bright. Them system crumble, Babylon fall. Jah kingdom come, fi one and all. Herbs in a me chalice, wisdom flow. The lessons of the ancients me always know. It's not just the herb, but the message pure. A love so strong, it always endure. The beat of the drum, it call me name. The rhythm of life, it can't tame. With each new verse, me carry Jah word. Feed the people in the world, we never heard. Rasta spirit strong, it can't break through the storm and the waves. Me never shake in a Jah guidance. Me find me place forever living in Jah grace. Stand firm like the mountain high. Lift me eyes to Jah, the most high. The fire blaze hot, but me walk through with Jah blessings. Me spirit renew. Them talk about power, them talk about greed, but Rasta say love is the only seed. The garden grow full, the fruits them sweet. With Jah's guidance, me life complete. No war, no hate, just unity. One love feed the world, the destiny. The stars above, the earth below. Jah creation make me heart overflow. Rasta spirit strong, it lead the way. Guided by Jah, night or day, forever chanting. Me sing Jah song in a Zion, me soul belong.
To be quiet there.